Okay, well, I didn't read the article, but if this is true, everybody with a tax ID number and not a social security number need to be on the lookout. Everybody with an ITIN who is filing taxes with the IRS, but they don't have a social security number, have to be on the lookout. This is new precedents. The IRS usually don't share any information with USCIS. So when you did your taxes with your ITIN, it was separate from USCIS. That's why when you do your USCIS filing, they ask you for your tax documents because they don't share the information between agencies. Now that is going to be changing. This is breaking news. Breaking news. I did not read the article, but from what I'm seeing, this is not good.